Quinn Cook with the mid-range, and Zach Randolph's not going to give it back to Quinn Cook. He said, "You drive, Zebo." Corner three, perfect.
Right side, 4-3.
Draymond's been everywhere. Coming up with steals, coming up with rebounds. Cook took the bump and laid it in anyway. Really?
Now, this is a 2-on-1, but Nick Young isn't available because he went out to the three-point line.
Loose, Nick Young diving on the deck. Quinn Cook jumper, good! There's nothing wrong with that if you can change the game coming off the bench. Quinn Cook, have your...
Going to let the official miss that one.
Quinn Cook! That's his first shot of the second quarter.
Opportunity here, see? To get that. Yeah.
Quinn Cook, quickest man to the ball, to lay it up and have it goaltended.
Yeah, it's just, and I've said that before, but for the number 6 pick. And
Quinn Cook, he should take more shots.
nice pass to Green.
And they're banged up Warriors squad. Quinn Cook with a shot clock at 3, a little fade away, and got it down.
Nice match as Isaiah Thomas, so this is opportunity for him tonight.
Quinn Cook cutting without the ball. Now, you can take advantage of Isaiah Thomas' Caspi. Lopez sent away by Zaza. Quinn Cook in a foot race with Thomas, lets him fly by and lays it in. He waits to see if there's other purple jerseys coming. There's usually been a bunch, which means players are open. And Quinn Cook, around ball, the little fadeaway. So there it is.
About Eddie Howe.
No, I know.
Yeah, he got 59 against Cal.
Hayward zone.
Arizona State.
And Quinn Cook bottoming through traffic.
He's trying to get to the trailer. He's got an open one.
And Quinn Cook bottoming the three.
Yeah, I thought, see that, and sucking the defense with it.
Ricochet out to Quinn Cook. In on Ulis and able to finish. Keep adding on. And Quinn Cook hitting that three. And that's where Pachulia, that was a wipeout screen. You've seen him score. He's pretty active on both ends. Quinn Cook is just wanted no part of that. Quinn Cook's been the hottest Warrior recently. There's another one.
That's a good combination there. Kevin Durant, Quinn Cook.
Big man right now. Nicely done. Quinn Cook setting up Jordan. So pretty. Quinn Cook the lob and Jordan Bell. That pass thrown back and stolen.
Let's see how he runs a 2-on-1.
Takes it right to the rim.
Basketball smart. Use the screen the next time.
And that mid-range jumper.
He's comfortable now, isn't he?
Isaiah Taylor, 3 years at Texas. He was undrafted, and there's Quinn Cook reversing it up and in.
You're not prepared for him coming a different way.
Nick Young coming off the bench now as Cook in the corner to give Golden State. Heard anything from them tonight, it's been all Pacers all the time. Since the All-Star break will improve to 14-7. Golden State will drop to 13-8 since the All-Star break.
Buckets.
126 points. Quinn, so much was happening, but I had told you that
Just trying to get to 60 if they can. Cook inside.
Patience by Quinn Cook to wait for that to develop.
Grant saved the turnover. Quinn Cook good look at a three. So all 5 New Orleans players have scored, and they have yet to miss a shot. Quinn Cook jumper.
Didn't need it. Didn't need the foul.
Quinn Cook sensing a seam, flipping it up and in. So Quinn
A little bit surprised that he's starting to take over the game here this soon.
Quinn Cook setting up Looney freely, and they don't have that second center in there. Quinn Cook for 3.
Drew Holiday in. I can't believe they forgot about Cook.
Quinn Cook again.
I'll tell you why they forgot about him.
Quinn Cook free action.
But as far as, sorry, I'm getting caught up in the game here.
It's all right. Warriors have never led in the game, but they're within 1.
There's Quinn again.
Quinn for the lead.
What a find.
That will help their spirit on the road, and for the Warriors help themselves out defensively.
Now there's Cook. They got off very slowly. In fact, the Clippers hit their first 7 from downtown. Here's Cook for 3. Yes, 9 points. Cook wide open. Yes, he's had the hot hand. Well, he's still in his youthful days, but most of his youth is Cook. Red hot on McGee. Cook with the lob. McGee Cook on the drive, hits. He's played well. Crowd getting a little restless here as Cook shoots the rainbow. Take your lumps. Trey Maddox, and he was tossed. Going to make his return tonight. That counts on a feed. Nash has a steal. Mochiks and Cook. High off glass. Down by 13. There's Cook slipping inside and scores. Once again,
Ball starting again. He hasn't shot the ball well, but he looks peppy. And this kid, Quinn Cook,
1 of 8.
Rubio, good stop there. Stop the break.
Quinn Cook. I love the mid.
You don't want to have to depend on your center picking up loose men.
Quinn Cook, he needs to look for a shot.
Not too shy for a number 12 pick, huh?
No, for a rookie? Pachulia, that's 5 right now.
Told you he's going to be looking here.
Quinn Cook is 4 for 4.
Cheap nowadays.
We saw Dwight Howard actually lose a game check. Got over 16 and Quinn 14. Quinn Cook cutting and laying it up and in.
You got to know who Favors is, and they play to his strength.
Zaza.
He is Boston.
7 players in double figures for the Jazz. The lob to Damian Jones. NBA history.
There you go, perfect. Quinn looks good.
And Quinn Cook. Moody and JaVale in. Quinn Cook has had 3 threes, and that one he bottoms. Good help by JaVale McGee.
But you want to keep him in front of you.
And Iguodala racing down. Good look ahead by Quinn. 5 minutes without a field goal here. Quinn Cook, the mid-range, and that's exactly
branded into them.
Quinn Cook mid-range, and that is
the Warriors. They've got good numbers too. Number 3 at field goal percentage overall. Number 9
from Gasol.
Great hands without fouling.
And Quinn Cook, a Parker spin of his own right. And Quinn Cook. San Antonio's come back to earth in terms of shooting threes after that hot first quarter.
Steps in for a 2.
And Quinn Cook, 7-point game. Quinn Cook, open 3, and there it is.
I'll tell you, alone. He didn't think anybody could recover.
San Antonio's 11 of 35.
Well, they can feel that they might get a win here.
Quinn Cook off the Pachulia delivery. That was nicely done.
And that was 29 against the Warriors, and he hasn't even been close to that since.
Yeah, Quinn Cook, he was fading behind the back.
But it's nice to have the coach behind you. Nice penetration.
Good drop off, and Kevon Looney dunking it. Jordan Bell's not going to take the 20-footer. Nice kick out, better ball movement. Quinn Cook 3, and he dropped it in. Quinn Cook for 3. Accentuate a little bit more as Quinn Cook lays that in, and he's fouled. You said Quinn Cook with a crossover and bottom the deep 2. Keep the pressure on the Suns. Keep moving the ball.
That's moving.
Quinn Cook 3, and he got it. Phoenix coming back to earth from distance a little bit. How hot is Quinn Cook? That hot! To help out tonight, and that knocked away. Quinn Cook in a foot race with Dudley, and he'll lay it up and in. Quinn Cook cutting, finishing.
Another one back-to-back.
Shot clock at 2. Quinn's got a launch here. And he made another one.